open this up, show you what's inside. Doorknob latch. If you can't use this plate right here on the end, you can use this instead, but I'm not gonna need this plate that goes in the door frame. Screws, keys down in there, and instructions. First thing we're gonna do is unscrew this old doorknob. It's 2 screws, one right there, one right there. We also gonna unscrew this part. The old doorknob. And we're gonna take this piece off. First thing we're gonna do is install a latch. Using 2 small screws that's included. Now the latch is installed, we're going to install the knob. We're going to install it in front first, or the outside part first, with the key facing up. And we're going to install the inside. Next, we're going to use the longer screws to hold this in place. Now we're going to tighten it with the screwdriver. This side is tight, now we're going to tighten this side over here. The last part is that we're going to install a new plate. For this, we're going to switch to the drill. Pop this old one off. Put the new one on. And we are finished. That's how you replace the doorknob.